You're welcome. Join me on a shopping day. Yes, today I'm shopping for my daughter's birthday, which is coming soon next week. I decided to shop early because I know myself, I can wake up in the midnight and decide to start baking. Yes, so I love everything being handy at home so that whatever I want to do, I can easily do it. Thank God for the sweet weather over here, so I'm not scared of anything going bad. So I decided to shop for her to pick things for baking. Yes, because I want to bake cake, I want to make meat pies, I want to also make chin chin and buns. So that is that. Today I'm here. So I just want to make this a quick one because I'm rushing home to do something important. So I moved straight to the place where they are selling milk. I started using fresh milk to bake recently and I noticed it's good, so no need for the evaporated. Just the difference is the price. So I prefer going for the fresh milk. So I picked 2 fresh milk. So I checked around. I wanted butter. I also wanted butter for baking the cake, the meat pie, and also for my butter cream. So I picked this. I love this butter. So I picked 3 big ones because I'm making a whole lot. So I picked 1 smaller one for the buttercream cake. I'll be decorating the cake with buttercream, so I will use this one for the buttercream. So I moved forward to the next place so that I can get other things. I'm only shopping for my baking things. Let me just say baking things today. I'm picking nothing for the house. This meat. I call it meat or meated meat. I don't know what they call it though. I can't remember again. So I need it for my meat pie. So I picked 3 because I'm making a huge quantity. So I'm considering the prices. So I let her pick the smaller one, 3 packs, which I felt it would be okay for me. Yeah, I'm okay. So I moved forward for the next thing. The only reason I love coming to Tesco is I don't know. I think I know my whereabouts here. I know where to pick what to pick. I know where to get whatever I'm looking for. So no stress coming to Tesco. That's just the truth. So I move forward to the cake side, home baking side, to pick other things I need. So I needed sugar, so I picked the 1 kg too. That's 2 kgs of sugar. I picked 2 kgs, though I know I will not finish it, but at least the remaining will still be in my house for future purpose. So I needed up to 4 packets of eggs. That is around 15 sets. But I noticed the one I normally go for, as if it's finished. So I checked for the plain flour first. I picked plain flour, 6 packets. Yes, I have a lot to bake. I have a whole lot, so it's better I have more than enough in the house than is not enough. That's just the truth. So I picked for 6 packs, and I also picked my cornstarch. That's corn flour, very important. Like I normally tell people, cake flour is not blend flour. Blend flour is not cake flour. So I needed this baking powder. I picked one, though I have in the house, but I'm not sure of the quantity. So there are a lot here if you want to buy cake things. A lot here. So I went back to check for the eggs again. So I peeped and I noticed carton covered 2 packs down. So I have to bend down right here to pick the one down. So I picked one. I went back again to pick the second one. Though it's not enough, I wanted up to 4 packs, but I think I'll come again for this. Even the woman was peeping because she wanted, but not knowing I already packed the 2. So I moved forward to check the rest things. So here I'm trying to analyze something, but I concluded. So I moved on to look for my cornstarch. This is the cornstarch. I picked 1 pack and I moved. So I picked carrot. I needed carrots for my meat pie. I needed Irish potatoes also. I picked onions. So I need Irish potato. I'll still add my Irish potatoes. And I think that is all for this shopping for today. That's all for today. So I was conscious about the money I came with, so I need to go check out and know how much I have here already, because I had so I'm finally done checking out everywhere to know the price and everything. So finally everything was around £43 something, I think so. So that was all for this. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, please follow me on Facebook, like my Facebook page. I love you so much. So that is all. Thanks for watching. Bye.